Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're all having a great week. Hope you had a good Christmas if you were celebrating. And welcome to this new video on sats. Wanted to give you an update. I mean, right now, I think it's quite obvious why I'm covering this. All right, it's just been very bullish, or at least relatively bullish. We haven't had a major bullish breakout yet. We did get a bullish breakout here above 7,500. But just in general, I mean, Ordinals has also been performing fairly well. Like I said, I mean, sats did get a bullish breakout, and if you look at the momentum here, that's also increasing. All right, so there's definitely potential here for a continued rally, and that's why I wanted to make a video on that. There's enough to talk about actually. So, let's get right into it. The thing is, I mean, usually, and I've said this before, I mean, usually when a crypto makes a local top, which sats did right here, and then drops down, and then forms another bullish market structure up to that top, usually it breaks through, all right? That's usually what's true. Some of you might know that if you watch more of my videos. The problem right now, though, is that I am not sure if this is a bullish market structure. For sats, so far, it just seems to be a big spike, all right? So I think this could still turn into a consolidation, which would mean that we find resistance here and that we start dropping back down from here. That's what I still think is a possibility, and that does make it a little bit harder. And then apart from that, what's also true is that sats got a ton of bullish momentum this morning. However, that momentum has also dropped down quite a bit. It spiked at around 1 a.m. Last night, which is about 10 hours ago, and since then it spiked once more to those levels about 5 hours ago. But right now it's pretty neutral. It's at around the same levels as it was yesterday in the afternoon, which was, I mean, the price back then was quite bullish as well, but it did not break out. So, like, look, what we want to see is a bullish breakout. We want a bullish breakout above 9,000 here. And if sats is able to do that, if it breaks above 9,000 and it holds it as support, so it's a real breakout, another fake out, we're going to get up to 11,500 here, 11,500, 12,500. That would be my price target. We're going to get there, all right? Well, if we break out, if Bitcoin is bullish, yes or no, it doesn't matter. If it breaks that level, we're going to get there. But the big question obviously is will we break above that level? And that's a hard question to answer because it's very dependent on a lot of things. It's dependent, for example, on whether this bullish momentum for the ordinals narrative continues. And Ordi right now, I mean, we had a bit of a drop. It still looks relatively strong though. Sats also had a bit of a drop, looks relatively strong though, is still on top of this major support level here between 7,700 and 7,500. So it's hard to say, all right? In general, what I would tell you, and this is going to be true 100%, is that sats right now is really stuck between 7,500 and 9,000. And it's just waiting for a breakout. So if we're able to get that bullish breakout, then we're going to rally above 9,000. But if sats breaks down below 7,500, it's pretty safe to assume we're just going to fall back down towards 6,000 and 5,500 and stay in this bigger consolidation. So it's waiting for that. It's waiting for that bullish breakout because the circumstances around it and the statistics around it are just they're too ambiguous. You could see them as bullish, you could see them as bearish. I have to say that I think it's a little bit more likely we'll get a bearish breakout here. But that is mostly because I see the open interest has decreased. And I'm putting, it's my choice to put more weight on that than the ordinals narrative, for example. So that's what I think. I think a bearish breakout is a little bit more likely here. But like I said, I mean, wait for that breakout. That's the best thing to do. If you want to trade this, wait for a breakout. Then at least you have some more confirmation. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group, which you can find out more about right there as well. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.